Step into the next era of print innovation with OnPrintShop version 12.0. This powerful upgrade brings next-gen AI automation to cut repetitive tasks, an enhanced purchasing experience to boost sales, and faster order processing to print smarter and faster. In version 12.0, we have introduced auto-translation and template language support. Now, no more language barriers in business, with auto-translation capabilities for your online print shop and templates. You can now cater to global print buyers while maintaining local relevance. But that's not all. Print designing just got a whole lot smarter. Unleash creativity with AI-powered image generation directly in Designer Studio. Pair this with advanced finishes like embossing, debossing, and spot UV to offer customers unmatched product quality. In version 12.0, we're excited to introduce our all-new pattern products feature. This innovative update empowers your print buyers to design custom patterns by uploading their own images or choosing from predefined options. With creative control right at their fingertips, your customers can craft truly personalized printing products that stand out. And when it comes to personalization, we've got you covered. Enable seamless product personalization with quick design that helps print buyers update designs instantly within the Designer Studio without shifting focus or redirecting to elsewhere. Empower instant purchases with the new Buy Now option. Now, print buyers can easily skip the customization process and quickly complete their purchase of ready-to-buy print products with a single click, because faster checkout equals boosted print sales. Now, let's talk about driving sales like never before. Boost revenue with AI-driven personalized product recommendations that keep your print buyers coming back for more orders. And when customization is key, our tools make it effortless. Build tailored forms to meet your unique needs, and translate text in the Designer Studio into multiple languages to cater to diverse audiences seamlessly. OnPrintShop version 12.0 is a complete package to redefine your print business. So are you ready to level up? Then schedule a one-on-one personalized demo today at www.onprintshop.com.